Today, I want to talk to you about an amazing supplement blend that will help support and enhance your brain health. With the month of June here, our core health focus is enhancing your brain health to minimize the risks associated with developing Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is what we call diabetes type 3 because it affects the vascular function of your brain. And today I want to share with you a combination of supplements we've put together in our Brain Health 8 supplement. This blends in some powerful products like Camu Camu and Cat's Claw and Bacopa, and also cinnamon, which is really good for balancing blood sugar in the brain, Pau d'Arco, as well as dragon's blood's resin, and even some other supplements and even some other herbals. So let me break down how you can use our Brain Health 8 to help prevent Alzheimer's. And one of the things that I see in my own clinical practice, I have several patients that have early stages and early diagnoses of Alzheimer's in their early 50s. This is quite shocking. And we are seeing this as an industry. We're seeing more and more individuals presenting with changes in their brain state and the function of their brains. I want to share with you one of the things that I really love about our Brain Health 8, and it's the fact that we have Bacopa as a core product or core nutrient. There's actually some amazing research, multiple pieces of research that shows that Bacopa can be highly effective at taming, preventing, even in some cases reversing the neurodegeneration of the brain that ends up causing cognitive decline. And that's what we call Alzheimer's. Memory loss is a big factor here, as well as the language and problem-solving centers of the brain. Bacopa, in a 12-week study, shows significant improvements in memory and attention and focus. And another study actually showed that not only does it help the mental focus and mental acuity, it also targets the symptoms of anxiety and depression. Those also partner up with many cases of Alzheimer's, because as the brain starts to change in terms of its functionality, the blood flow, and the centers that are alert and active, it can change a person's personality, their mood, and also their capacity to live their everyday life as how we know them and how they recognize us. And I have a personal history in my family. My maternal grandmother had Alzheimer's, and she used to escape the house. And she was really very different, as I knew her as a grandmother, than what my mom and my half-uncles experienced, her growing up and being herself. So to prevent that, not just in your life, but in also the lives of some of your loved ones, maybe you're caregiving for a parent or have an elder aunt or uncle, or you yourself has some sort of family history, or even if you're dealing with a situation where you have pre-diabetes or are a diabetic, preventatively adding Bacopa, as well as all of the other benefits like Cat's Claw and Camu Camu, we have pulled together a lot of anti-inflammatories, a lot of nootropic products. Nootropic means that these supplements are actually able to get into the brain and help minimize the inflammation of the brain and prevent cognitive decline. So I'm really excited to present our Brain Health 8 to you as a great resource in your prevention plan and even possibly a treatment plan for Alzheimer's, either in a loved one, a family member, or even yourself. So I'm excited to share that with you today. And definitely, I think one of the things that we need to do is bring greater awareness to Alzheimer's, the fact that it is a neurodegenerative disease that is linked to our blood sugar levels. And so most importantly, food is medicine. You want to be choosing low sugar and more adaptive lifestyles to insulin and increasing your capacity to be more adaptive and functional with your insulin and glucose levels. So less glucose insulin resistance and glucose intolerance, low carb lifestyles, low sugar lifestyles can actually be also preventative. So pairing food and Brain Health 8 are going to be great for combating Alzheimer's.